Chia seeds, once a staple of ancient civilizations, are making a powerful comeback in today's health-conscious world. These tiny, nutrient-dense seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, and protein, making them a superfood worthy of your attention. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet could provide profound health benefits, enhancing your overall well-being and vitality. Not only are chia seeds incredibly versatile, but their health benefits also extend to heart health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they contribute to lowering the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in promoting cardiovascular health, making chia seeds an excellent addition to your heart-healthy eating plan. Furthermore, the seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, aiding in the prevention of type 2 diabetes by slowing down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar in the bloodstream. Moreover, chia seeds are an exceptional source of dietary fiber, making them a powerful ally for digestive health. Just a small serving delivers a significant amount of fiber, which supports regular bowel movements and promotes gut health. This fiber content can also help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to manage weight and curb cravings. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance that promotes hydration and adds bulk to your meals, aiding digestion. In addition to their digestive benefits, chia seeds are an excellent source of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential for maintaining strong bones and overall skeletal health. With a careful balance of these minerals in every spoonful, chia seeds can help prevent osteoporosis and support bone density, especially as one ages. Additionally, they are a fantastic option for those following plant-based diets, providing a source of complete protein and essential amino acids without the need for animal products. As you explore the world of chia seeds, consider adding them to smoothies, oatmeal, baked goods, or even as an egg substitute in recipes. Their mild flavor and crunch can enhance any dish while providing a nutritious boost. By embracing chia seeds in your daily routine, you can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits, transforming them from mere seeds into the foundation of a healthier lifestyle. Embrace the power of chia seeds today and feel the positive changes unfold in your body and mind.